We are getting ready to do lesson 14. Yesterday we were classifying triangles. Today we're going to be drawing them. Alright, so we need to draw a right isosceles. Isosceles has two sides the same. So I don't know, you can kind of see the grid under there. What I'm going to make sure I do is that I count that grid. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're going to go 6 this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then we're going to connect these. Alright, so this and this are the same because they both have 6 lines. I know they don't look it on the way that it's projecting, but that's why I just double counted them for you to show you that they were. On my paper it looks more accurate, but it's something about the zoom. When you zoom in, it just doesn't look quite the same. Anyway, okay, so those are both the same. This is a right angle, so it is a right, and it's isosceles because two sides are the same. And obtuse scalene. Okay, so scalene is mean none of the sides are the same. So let's make our obtuse angle. I'm going to make this one long on purpose because that one's short, that one's long. Okay, and then we're going to connect. There we go. So this is the obtuse angle right here, definitely obtuse, and it's definitely scalene. None of those sides are the same. An acute scalene. Okay, so an acute scalene is going to go something like this. None of the sides are still the same. They're all still different lengths, but all of my angles inside are all small and all acute little angles. Okay. Acute isosceles means now I have to have two sides the same. Okay, so I'm going to count over 2, and so I'm going to go over 2 and down 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to connect, and then I'm going to go over 2 and down 1, 2, 3, 4. That lets me know, one, it gives me that angle up at the top, right, and it also lets me know that those lines are the same because I counted over 2 and down 4 for both. This and this are the same, so that makes it isosceles, and all of those angles are acute little angles. Draw possible lines of symmetry in the triangles above and explain why some do and don't have lines of symmetry. So the only ones that are going to have lines of symmetry are the ones that have two sides the same, and the only place they're going to have a line of symmetry is right between where those two sides are the same. So this one would go this way, right between where the two sides are the same. That's the only place we're going to have those lines of symmetry. Scalene mean ones are not going to have lines of symmetry because the sides are not the same. Okay guys, watch the video and then